In this experiment, we'll study the motion of a trolley down an inclined runway using the motion sensor. Set up the motion sensor on the inclined runway. Run the data logging program on the computer. Start recording data and let the trolley travel down the inclined runway away from the sensor. Note the ST and VT graphs obtained. Rescale the graphs to enlarge them. What do the graphs tell us about the motion of the trolley? The VT graph is a straight line showing that the trolley travels down the runway with uniform acceleration. The acceleration of the trolley can be found from the slope of the VT graph. The data logging program can work this out readily. Repeat the experiment by increasing the slope of the runway. Note the ST and VT graphs obtained. Measure the acceleration of the trolley from the slope of the VT graph. How does the increase in the slope of the runway affect the acceleration of the trolley?